Okay, this is Ryan Jacobson, the tech department here. I'm going to show you guys how to load a magazine, specifically an FX magazine. These are the new style. This is what we get questions about, so I'm going to go over how to load this mag. So it's real simple, really. Like I said, they do work the same, so they kind of have the same style faceplate. You twist that over, you pop that off. You're going to pre-wind your spring. That's what keeps it going. So you're going to pre-wind it, get to that first one, you're going to drop in your anchor pellet. That's going to keep it there, and then you really just fill in the gaps after that. Sometimes if you get in a hurry, I know I do, you can drop one up, kind of upside down. So I'm going to show you just a quick trick how to do that. What you're going to do is what I do. I just cover all of them like that, and then just give it a shake. Pops right out. The real thing is making sure that first one stays in. Yeah, real simple. You're gonna drop them into place like so until you're done with the magazine. You're gonna put the faceplate back on. You can see the cutouts. Twist that over so that faceplate stays locked on, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of roll it into place on an impact itself. So you can see that cutout matches this brass piece here for the barrel. You're going to slide that like so, and it's going to lock into place, and then you're ready to close your bolt, and then you'll be ready to shoot. How to get it out: all you do is press on that button itself, and it releases right out. Again, that kind of rolling motion is what a lot of people actually get kind of hung up on, specifically an impact. Press that button, roll it out. Real simple stuff. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, please drop a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a lot more tutorial videos like this. And if you have any more questions or anything like that, you specifically want to get a hold of us, shoot us an email, service@utah.airguns.com.